This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles without eggs. Whisk together 1/2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir in 1 cup milk and 1/4 cup applesauce as an egg substitute, then add 2 tablespoons melted butter or oil. Mix until just combined and let rest for 5 minutes before cooking in a preheated waffle iron. When choosing an egg substitute, think about flavor balance and texture. Applesauce keeps things neutral, mashed banana pairs well with sweet toppings, and yogurt adds richness and browning. Use about 1/4 cup of substitute per egg replaced and reduce added liquids slightly. Test one waffle first to confirm texture and adjust next batch if needed. This approach keeps waffles fluffy and consistent without eggs. For crisp edges and fluffy interiors, preheat your waffle iron and lightly oil the plates before pouring batter. Cook until the iron releases easily and the waffle is golden brown, which takes a few minutes depending on your machine. Avoid stacking waffles directly. Place them on a wire rack to preserve crispness. If needed, re-crisp in a 200 degrees F oven for a few minutes before serving warm with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.